Hello everyone. Today in Procedure Text, my name is Noodle. I come from Fantastic Class. I will show how to make fried noodles in my experience. Actually, everybody has their own style to fried noodles. Again, today I will explain to you what I have in front of you. This is the electricity pan because I don't have a stove portable. That's why I use electricity pan. And then I use oil, and then I have water here, and soy sauce, and then garlic, and then black pepper. This is for seasoning later, and then mushroom stock. And of course, we should have a noodle. And then I have for ingredients, I have tomato, and then I have shallot, garlic, and then candle nut. You know that this is a candle nut. And then of course I have onion and celery and green onions. And this is ingredient I should to blend to be smooth pasta. I already made it in the morning to make pasta. And then first, what do we do for this all kind of stuff? First, heat the stove, the pan. Oh yeah, I bring knife and cutting board also. And then heat the pan. Put a little bit oil cooking. It's about around 1 or 2 spoons, depends on you. And then while waiting this oil heat, I will peel the shallot first, and then slice. Actually noodles from China, right? This is a traditional food from China, and then spread to East Asia until the world. I think electricity is off. We should do. Okay. It's on again. Wow. Put shallot. And until fragrant. Are you smell it? And put fast blend here. Actually, every place have their own methods to cook. I think this is usually cooked. I put 3 chilies in this pasta, smooth pasta, and 1 tomato, and around 1 garlic. But in Java, I saw the people already boil the noodle first until half cooked, and then they will put in other place, and then they will use later. But in our content, we didn't use that because I usually will put the noodle in the directly in the pan. So waiting, guys. And I think noodle is very common food in Indonesia, and usually we eat like sarimi or mie sedap or so many branded noodle in Indonesia, right? Still waiting. And then we can put water. I already prepared hot water. We wait. And then open noodle packet and divide it into 4 pieces. And this is the seasoning for noodle packet, and you can use this. I will put it to make this noodle more fragrant and delicious. Are you smell garlic?
Yeah.
Okay, everybody. I will add water. First, I will still cook well. While waiting this, I will take a few of celery. I will use it for seasoning. I will chop this celery. And then I'll put the water. It's around a half glass of water. Wait until boiled. This is green onion. Okay, I will put noodle. And seasoning of the package. Yeah, we need a little bit effort for this noodle. It's not usually. Okay, while waiting, I think I didn't put the egg because I don't have time. It's around 1 minute. I have plate for serve this noodle, and the last I will put celery. You smell fragrant here? I think my noodle is already done. I will off the electricity. And start in the plate.
Whoa, oh my god. Wow. I wanna try.
Here, this is fried noodle from me. You can see this, a little bit smells so good, right? And it's all from me. And thank you for watching. And I can bring it. Thank you for watching my tutorial to make how to make fried noodle. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah.